As said above and also on this URL, we have connected some of the Wikidata or Wikipedia profiles with profiles in WikiTree. So here is a query. So if I click on that, then it's a language called SparkQL. It's that query Wikidata. So it says, please find every person who has a WikiTree ID in the database. Also find the grave ID. And we check for place of birth, place of death, and place of burial. And also if this person has an illustration, so then we take it. And then I create a URL to WikiTree with the WikiTree ID. So then we run here. Other questions that can be done is that you say you have location-based queries. I don't know if I have it up here. Here. So then you can say run, display everything in a radius from Empire State Building. So that means that we can query all, here you have, query all profiles in the New York area and so on and so on. So that's really cool. And you also have this possibility here. I query all the spouses and so on, and then we show it in an image. If you take the table here, we can see it. Here is the WikiTree ID, and there is the label, and here's the picture. So still we are missing on Elisa McGrath. I can show you how to do this. What you do is that you take this dear person and jump to WikiTree. Then we should find Elisa. There. So then we should update Wikipedia or Wikidata with Elisa, and Elisa is this person. So this is the data for her, and then I do a search on Wiki. Then you come here, it's already in there. So then you just click add. I can see if I can do somewhere else. Here was maybe I'd have to refresh this question. We do another one here. Tyler and Julia. Looks like he has had 2 wives. Tyler, and then we have Julia. Yes. And that's gardener. Let me check on this list, and I have Julia there. And then this person is here. First lady of the United States, looks okay. So then I jump down, I do this search on Wiki. And then I see that we have no WikiTree ID added. Then I do add WikiTree, select this one, add, and do save. So that means that tree is in the database now and will appear on the maps and so on. Here is also a way to do a timeline. That can be rather interesting. So this timeline is based on the husband's birth and death. Date of birth, date of death. So here we have 1970-1963 Kennedy. Then we do a timeline, and then we move in. 1963, Then we have London B. Johnson, Nancy, they are still, Jane, Beth Nixon. Here we have. What we could do is maybe order of date of birth for doesn't look like date of birth. Yeah. And don't know, you need to have a location here, but we don't have a location. You can maybe create one. See if you can. Here we have. So this is, but here is the query for this last map thing. So place of birth, place of death, place of burial. Is it 1 hour maybe? And then we say find all WikiTree people, all Wikidata people who has a WikiTree ID. Also extract the find the grave. And also if they have a Facebook, but I don't have extended. I don't give away this Facebook stuff. Instagram. And then we have a personal description, WikiTree ID format, which means I create a new variable here with the ID. And then it's translated to English, and then we do run. And we have it in English, and if we go out here, Fredrik Banting, if I click on this one, we will come to his profile. But the picture is not from here, the picture is from yeah, so maybe we can see if we can do an image grid. So then we get the pictures of all people in the database, hopefully. This is another way to look at Wikidata, WikiTree data. I think it's a bug here. If you have more pictures, it will be displayed in more. But this is the benefit of having more structured data, which I think we should move in the direction. So we have burial dates, we have and so on. And the location here, if we look at it, this is Giovanni della Bandera. They say then that they have a place of birth, Forli, but you can have more places of birth also, more exact, and that's what we need to have. So this is coming from the Italian wiki. So what was happening here is that when they up the Italian wiki, it goes down to Wikidata. And here is Forli, Italian commune. So it's not an exact location. And here you have more data, but normally you have also a location, a time zone. You also have a location here. So that is the one we are using to show on the map. So he was born here. Maybe we can see where he died. Forli, we are still on Forli. Here we have location. Place of death. That's Italy also. Yeah. But it's open up possibilities, I think.